Welcome to Learning Unit 2-1. Let's look at number 1. It says identify the type of fraction. Is it a proper, improper, or mixed fraction? If you look at A, 4/5, if you look at it, it is the 4 larger than the 5 or smaller? And it's smaller, so that's going to be a proper fraction. For B, we've got 6/5. Is 6 larger or smaller than 5? It's going to be larger, so that's an improper fraction. For C, it's 19 1/5. Because we have a whole number and a fraction, that's called a mixed fraction. For D, it's 20 divided by 20, and because we've got the numbers 20 divided by 20 and they're the same, that's also called an improper fraction. So we can convert to a mixed number in number 2. It's 160 divided by 9. Keep in mind the top dog always gets the hat. If you're trying to remember what you're dividing by what. So we're going to take the 9 and divide that into 160. So 9 goes into 16 one time. Take 16 minus 9 is 7. 9 doesn't go into 7, so you bring down the 0. 9 goes into 70 7 times. 9 times 7 is 63. 63 from 70 leaves you with 7, so we have a remainder of 7/9. For number 3, you're going to convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. First of all, you need to take the whole number times your 8, so 9 times 8, and then add the 5 and divide that all by 8. So you're going to end up with 9 times 8 plus 5 is 77, and that's divided by 8. Number 4, we're going to find the greatest common divisor by the step approach and reduce to the lowest terms. So A is 24 over 40. So 24 divided into 40. 24 goes into 40 one time, so that's going to be 24. Take 40 minus 24, leaves you with 16. So then you take your 16, divide that into 24. That goes one time, so 16 from 24 is 8. Then you've got your 8 remainder. Take 8, divide it into 16. That leaves you with 16 minus 16 is 0. So that shows us that 8 is our greatest common divisor. So we take our 24, divide that by 8, we get 3. The 40 divided by 8, and we get 5. So we can reduce that to 3/5. So for B, it's 91 over 156. So we take 91, divide that into 156. That goes one time. 91 from 156 is 65. Then we have our 65. We divide that into 91. Again, that goes one time. 91 minus 65 leaves us with 26. 26 goes into 65. That goes two times. 26 times 2 is 52. 65 minus 52 leaves you with 13. And 13 goes into 26. 2 times. 2 times 13 leaves you with 26. 26 minus 26 is 0. So you show that 13 is the greatest common divisor. So we go to our problem. 91 divided by 13 leaves you with 7. 156 divided by 13 leaves you with 12. So you have 7 over 12. For number 5, we're going to convert to higher terms. And we've got 14 over 20 equals what over 200? So we have to determine how many times 20 goes into 200. So 20 goes into 200 10 times. Then we're going to take that 10, multiply it by the 14. So we have 10 times 14 is 140. So our 14 over 20 actually equals 140 over 200. Then we have 8 over 10. We're going to convert it to what over 60? So we take our 10, divide it into our 60, and we have 6. Then we look at the 6, we multiply it by the 8, that gives us 48. So our 8 over 10 actually is equivalent to 48 over 60.